Hey,
No,
do me a
Steven,
favor.
that's
Open
fine.
up the blinds so I know you don't got nothing in your hands, man. That's all I'm asking.
It's action you'll only see on ABC 15. Deputies working to get a suspect to come out of the house as he knows he's about to be arrested.
This all part of an inside look at the elite Ghost Squad. They're a group of hand-picked members out of Pinal County Sheriff's Office going after gang members, repeat offenders, and the most wanted criminals.
ABC 15's Kim Tobin went for a ride-along to see how they get these guys behind bars.
Sound good? Everyone know the target?
Hitting the streets of Pinal County, the Ghost Squad is out in full force.
10-4.
This 7-member crew was formed in October, and in just 4 months, they've already made 33 felony arrests.
Habitual offenders, possible gang members, things like that.
Sergeant Mark Miller taking us along, searching for a felony drug suspect in Casa Grande.
Booked him in. He got out the next day and has basically gone missing ever since.
We make several stops surrounding homes. Sheriff Mark Lamb checking in with the crew he created.
Their job is to go out and find the worst of the worst and protect our communities.
By targeting the most wanted suspects, the squad takes the burden off patrol deputies.
If you two want to go to the front, you and I will go to the back.
Now we switch targets to Coolidge.
Next target will be Steven Zapata. He's wanted on a child abuse warrant.
The crew surrounds the house, ready to go.
You got to come out.
Have him pull the blinds open.
The man won't open the door but starts yelling through the window.
What do you mean, open up? I got my phone in my hand, man.
He doesn't want to leave his daughter or be cuffed in front of her.
As long as I can see your hands, I don't care, man. Just come
Hey,
on out.
you've been cool with us. We're not putting you in cuffs in front of kids. We're all dads, man.
Talk him into coming out now.
And with some coaxing,
Trust goes both ways, man.
the Ghost members get him to
How about
surrender.
you sit right here, man?
Once his baby is in safe hands, he's cuffed behind the cars.
So while arresting this suspect right here next door, another guy poked his head around the corner. Turns out that guy had warrants out for his arrest as well.
You see H.O.S.T. Jamerson?
Hey, where's H.O.S.T. at? We'll get out of here. They got one. Right here. All right.
This suspect, H.O.S.T. Jamerson, is well known in the system, and the Ghost Squad recognized him right away.
I was able to observe the subject open the back door and try to flee out the back.
One stop, 2 arrests, getting these guys off the streets.
Everyone's safe. No one was injured, so absolutely it makes it a successful day.
Reporting in Pinal County, Kim Tobin, ABC 15, Arizona.
The Ghost Squad also works with other agencies like Phoenix Police or even out of state, tracking down suspects who are hiding out in Pinal County.